Hey, what's up folks? In this project, we're making a case for the Raspberry Pi HQ camera. So we designed and 3D printed an enclosure that houses the Pi 4 in the HQ camera module. The Raspberry Pi HQ camera features a 12.3 megapixel sensor and is capable of taking both stills and video. To get the highest image quality, we lowered the ISO and increased the bitrate. You could also adjust the exposure, shutter speed, and play with a nice assortment of built-in effects. The camera can capture video with a resolution of 1920 by 1080. We used a 35mm lens with a 1.6 f-stop. It's compatible with any C or CS mount lenses, so we can use a wide variety of interchangeable lenses. It also has an integrated tripod mount, so we can secure it to different tripods and adapters. In this project, we're using the Pi 4 Model B, but it's compatible with almost all models of the Raspberry Pi. You can get the parts and accessories to build this project, links are in the description. The parts are free to download and can be 3D printed without any support material using PLA. The case is modular and features snap fit covers that are easy to remove and swap out. Our PCB mount is designed to secure the camera to the Pi, and it can be printed in just about 20 minutes. So if you're looking for a minimal design, this should help keep your PCBs together with M.2.5 hardware. With snap fit parts, you can customize the case to fit a number of different sensors and components. All of the ports and connectors are accessible, so you can connect all sorts of devices like your display, your mouse, and a keyboard. The CAD Assembly uses M.2.5 hardware to secure the PCBs together. You can download 3D models of the Raspberry Pi and the camera module from the links in the description. Be sure to check out the Learn Guide for full step-by-step tutorial on assembling this project. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more projects from Adafruit.